Hello guys! Welcome to Cattaleya English channel. Today we are talking about top 10 autumn vibe English words. As the leaves change colors and the air gets crisp, autumn brings a special kind of magic. It's a time of beautiful colors, cozy smells, and special feelings. Let's explore the best words to describe this enchanting season. First and foremost, I would like to share the word which I have already mentioned today. It is crisp. Crisp air is cold, dry, and fresh. Let's illustrate with: the air was crisp and cold, perfect for a brisk walk. This word is for level C2. Next in line is russet. When something is russet, it has a reddish-brown color. Take this case for instance. The leaves had turned a beautiful shade of russet, creating a vibrant carpet on the ground. This word is for level A2. Following closely behind, we proceed with golden. I suppose it's the most widespread word for autumn. Golden is the color of gold. An example would be: the golden sunlight filtering through the trees made the forest look magical. Definitely it's the word for level A2. Furthermore, we have sombre. It is serious, sad, and without humor or entertainment. To put it into practice, let's see. A somber mood settled over the town as the days grew shorter and the nights longer. The level is B1. Another choice to mention is melancholy. Melancholy is sadness that lasts for a long period of time, often without any obvious reason. To demonstrate, consider: the melancholy of autumn was evident in the wind's gentle sigh and the fallen leaves. It is the word for level B1. Rounding up the top 5, we continue with cozy. It's comfortable, pleasant, and inviting, especially of a room or building, because it's small and warm. A good example of this is curling up with a good book by the fireplace on a chilly autumn evening felt incredibly cozy. This word is for level A2. Beyond the top 5, we find whimsical. Every time I pronounce this word, it reminds me of Harry Potter movies. I have no idea why. Do you have such feelings? Please share your thoughts in the comments. It's unusual and strange in a way that might be funny or annoying. Think of it like this: the autumn winds seemed to blow with a whimsical energy, rustling the leaves and scattering them about. This word is for level B2. Let's continue our exploration with serene. Serene means peaceful and calm, worried by nothing. Let's say, the autumn landscape was serene, with its quiet beauty and soft muted colors. This word is for level C2. Finally, at the very top, I have decided to place mystical. It relates to magic or magic powers, especially of a secret, dark, or mysterious kind. For instance, the fog rolling in over the hills created a mystical atmosphere perfect for a spooky story. The word is for level B1. To cap off this list, I will introduce brisk, as I have already mentioned it today. Brisk means quick, energetic, and active. Here's what I mean. We took a brisk walk through the park, enjoying the cool air and the colorful display of autumn leaves. The level is B1. Thank you for joining on this autumn adventure. We wish you all pleasant autumn filled with abundant joy and cozy moments. Do not forget to subscribe for more fun and keep exploring the wonders of English. Happy autumn, and I will catch you on the next video.